Hello everyone, I will present the code done by the group 36 for assignment 2. We decide to make a hangman game using the data structure, linked list and also queue. In our main.cpp function, there are two functions, which is start game function and also main function. We can see that we initialize the start to ensure the original condition of while loop. When the while loop is the start is equal to s or the big S, then the screen will show the instruction that we made. Before the game starts, the players need to read the instruction first. The rule one is this one. This is a two-player game, and the first group need to enter the secret word, while the second group need to guess the secret word that inserted by the first group. There are 8 chances provided in our hangman game. If the second group loses to guess the word within the 8 chances, then the first group will win this game, and vice versa. After this, the players will need to press any button to start the game. This instruction will be clear because we put the system clear function. After that, we will show the main menu, which will show the 3 options for the players. The first one is insert the group name, and the second one is insert a word, then the third is leave the game. If the players choose to first choice, then they will need to key in their group name first, then only will start the game. Now let us see the start game function. When the condition is true, then we use the try catch function to test the code if any errors will be during the execution time. This is the guessing game function. We can see from here, guessing game function. First of all, the second group players will need to key in, the first group player will need to key in the secret word. We use this function so the first group players can enter the secret word without showing the secret word. This is the function that we use to hide the secret word. The secret word function is the word keyed in by the first group player will be stored in the another variable. After this, we will clear this screen and show the another screen so the second group player will not see the secret word. We also set up the state of hangman for drawing. For example, the roof, rope, head, left arm, right arm, body and right leg, and also the last hangman. First of all, we also initialize the variables, and there will be a code to check either the character is alphabetic. If not, it will show the invalid state. After that, we show that there is game function will be run also. You see from here, the game function, when the condition is true, then we will enter the code. If the current status is hangman, then we will go through to the draw hangman function, which will show the hangman drawing according to the current status. If the current status is hangman, then this picture will be shown on the screen, which means the second group players are loose to guess the word within the 8 chances. Then the system will break. After that, we will run the print guessing code, which is here. We also will use the draw hangman function, which will show every status, which is roof, rock, head, left arm, right arm, body and also right leg, and also the last one. We also will remind the players how many tries will left after the players key in the word they guess. Then there will be answer for the players to key in also. If the players type leave, then we will bring them to exit the game. Else, if they choose to insert the alphabetic word, we will use this function, which is tropper function. So either the player insert the small alphabetic word or big alphabetic word, we will change the lowercase into the uppercase, so the uppercase will be same. Then we will check either the input already exists in the guess linked list or not. If the players didn't put the valid input, which insert more than one alphabet, we will show that only can enter a letter on. We will show that the player can only enter a letter, and the player need to enter again. If the count is equal to the insert links dot get size, then it means that the second group players successfully to guess the word, and we will show the congratulations on the screen. And thank you for their joining in the Hangman game. This is our header file, which including in the guessinggame.cpp, which includes guessinggame.hash, which initialize all the start, roof, rope, head, left arm, right arm, body, right leg, and also hangman, current status, linked list, and also we make the guessing game function, draw hangman function, secret word function, print guessing function, and game function as public. Same as the not.hash and also linked list header file and hangman header file. That's all for our explanation of our code.
I will explain how the game being played and how to win the game. First, the screen will show the instruction of the game for a player. This game can be played by two players or in group. The first group or first player will have to key in a secret word for another group or player to guess. After reading the instruction, player can choose to play with name or play anonymously. For the first choice, the player need to enter their name respectively. Then, group 1 player need to enter a secret word which is being hide on the screen for player 2. The second player will start the game by guessing alphabet based on the number of dash shown. The player can choose to leave the game or continue play. 8 times of wrong attempt will be given for the player. If alphabet that does not exist is guessed, then the drawing of hangman will start. From roof to rope to head to left hand to right hand to body to right leg. Then the whole hangman will be drawn when all 8 chances are used. The screen will also show that player 1 has win the game. While for player 2 to win the game, they have to guess all the alphabet correctly within the 8 wrong attempts. That's all from our group. Thank you.